Hello you guys and welcome back to FreeTechTV. I thank you guys for tuning in here today for another tech episode. Today we're going to start a new segment. We're going to start reviewing some household items, mostly from Amazon, but bringing them to you guys, taking a first look, unboxing and reviewing them. So today we're going to start off this video with reviewing the new LG microwave oven. Now, you might think microwaves are nothing exciting, and you may be right. In fact, I thought that same exact thing. However, moving to a new place, I went through a couple different microwaves, unfortunately, so decided to go out and actually get a good microwave, try it out, and see how it performs, and if I even notice the difference between like a regular microwave from Walmart, if you will. So today we have the LG. This is going to be the Smart Inverter microwave. Now this microwave has LG's NeoChef technology. So essentially it uses different wavelengths and can really tell what food, what product, or like coffee for example, that you put that in there, and has auto reheating, so it can certainly heat the food up for you without you even putting the time in, and that's pretty impressive. So some of the features that this microwave has now, the version we have is going to be the 0.9 cubic feet. However, they do have bigger models available as well. So this is going to be 1,000 watts. And what you're going to get, again, you're going to get that smart inverter. It's going to give you more even cooking. It's going to be able to give you better defrosting there as well. Antibacterial coating with easy clean, so you can certainly wipe and clean this microwave easy. So if you have kids or you're always cooking stuff, making a mess in a microwave, no problem to clean, very easy. It does have a hexagonal ring and gives a little bit more stabilization to the items that you put in there. So overall, it's going to be just a very smooth process. Now, one thing I like about this microwave that is a little bit different is the convenience of really just the time. So here we can see it's just a very clean layout. On the front you essentially get 4 buttons really. So you have your negative, positive, your stop, as well as your start. Pretty standard on any microwave. So to set the time on this for your cooking, you simply just use this chart here, just like that little touch sensor, and then you can use the plus sign or the microwave. What I love about this microwave is that after you start it and it's running, you can adjust the time after the fact. So if you put it in there for too long, you can suddenly bring the time down, and voila. So that's pretty nifty, you guys. Some people aren't really wild about that in sound. You'll certainly see that in the comments if you're looking. But if you are looking for a microwave, again, they have different sizes. This normally runs for $159.99. However, it is on sale a lot of places, Amazon, different appliance stores, $109.99. I've seen it for as low as $99.99, brand new, and that's where I got this from, $99.99. And LG wants you to know that you are simply getting a quality product. So when you buy this product, you are also going to get a 10-year warranty. And I stand by LG products. I find that they are really good build quality and really just built to last, durable. So really can't go wrong. If you are looking for a new microwave and not sure what to get, I would certainly recommend that you check out this model here. Again, with the 1,000 watts, it does have that quick cooking, and you know you're going to get even cooking with this smart inverter technology. So that's it, you guys. I really love this microwave, and I've been using it now for several weeks, and I couldn't really be happier with it. Like this 0.9 cubic feet one, because it is very small and compact, doesn't take up a lot of room, and it isn't too heavy at all. So it really goes good on the counter there. If you have any comments, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you are looking for a new microwave and you have any questions, be happy to answer any questions about this microwave for you. And with that, you guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. New tech videos coming out every week. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.